Hey guys! Maayong buntag! Welcome back to another video for today. For today's video guys, I am going to show you our San Conyor Tuki and what is his usual day routine. Ayan guys, Tuki's day starts whenever we let him in his cage out just to enjoy the sunny day. Because he loves sun, he loves hanging in there and just like enjoying the sun. But for today, I never get a chance to like record it earlier, but Tuki took a bath earlier. We let him take a bath once a week just to freshen up and to get rid of those like dirt and any kind of dirt inside his feathers. As you can see that he's trying to clean his feathers up because he's done taking a bath already and he's just hanging up there just to dry himself up. And he loves doing that. He loves teasing because he actually knows that there's a camera in front of him. So he loves to do tricks just to get everybody impressed. So for now guys, I'm gonna let you watch and enjoy and see what are the things that Tuki do inside his cage. This is Tuki's food. Sunflower seeds. This is what he's been eating. Sunflower seeds. He loves to eat sunflower seeds. Look at this. This is what our bird's food. His name is Toki. He is a sun conure. This is his favorite food aside from fruits. He loves eating fruits also, but... And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please subscribe, like, and share if you haven't yet. Thank you very much, guys. Love, love. Have a great day. See you on my next vlog. Mwah.